Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero World Tour Definitive Edition. First, familiarize yourself with your chosen instrument controller, whether it is a guitar, drums, or microphone. Understand the 5 colored fret buttons and the strum bar for guitar, or the drum pads and pedal. Your goal is to hit the notes as they scroll down the screen, matching the on-screen gems with your controller actions. Timing is crucial for scoring points and maintaining your note streak. Once you have the basics down, explore advanced techniques to boost your score. For guitar, use the whammy bar on sustained notes to earn extra points. Activate star power by tilting your guitar controller or hitting the star power button when your meter is full. This doubles your score multiplier temporarily. Drummers should master drum fills, while vocalists focus on accurate phrasing to maximize their performance. These techniques are key to becoming a true rock legend. Guitar Hero World Tour Definitive Edition offers various exciting game modes. Embark on a journey through the career mode, playing through set lists and unlocking new venues and gear. Challenge your friends in local or online multiplayer, either cooperatively as a band or competitively head-to-head. Unleash your creativity in the character and instrument editors, customizing your rock star's look. You can even compose original tracks in the innovative music studio. To achieve those coveted 5-star ratings and high scores, focus on maintaining your note streak. Every 10 consecutive notes increases your score multiplier, up to 4 times. Don't be afraid to practice difficult song sections repeatedly to improve your accuracy and timing. Explore the vast song library to discover new favorites and expand your musical horizons. Most importantly, remember to have fun and enjoy the exhilarating experience of being a virtual rock star.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.